Hi, I'm Jason Elias for ITViews. Today we're speaking with Dr. Wissam Raffoul, who's the General Manager of Consulting with Dimension Data. Welcome.
Thank you, Jason.
So tell me a little bit about Dimension Data.
We are a global company operating in about 47 countries. We specialize in IT infrastructure management covering its full life cycle. We plan it, we design it, we build it, we run it, we provide outsourcing services around it. The company was founded around 1983. We grew significantly since that time. We are about $5 billion company worldwide. And we have around 11,500 employees. Our core services originally based on technology like networking, like connectivity, security, data center, all that stuff. And we have strategic consulting service which link them all together to provide a total IT solution in terms of processes, people, organization, and technology. At the same time, we entered and we were successful in the outsourcing space. We delivered two types of services. Outsourcing, we call it team source in our language, which is more customized outsourcing. And another one is more of a standard service, we call it managed services, which doesn't require customization. And below that, we are even providing maintenance of hardware and software, all that stuff. So we are really in the service industry at a strategic level for customization, at a normal level for managed services, and even if they want maintenance services, we deliver all that stuff.
What's your role in the company?
My role in the company is General Manager Consulting. So we established that function about 3 years ago because Dimension Data initially established as a technology company, and we operate by line of business based on technology, as I mentioned, like networking and security. Soon realized that we're going to operate at a higher level in the customer value chain. We need to provide a total solution, not necessarily only the technology component, which we had to add the process component to it, the people component to it, and the organization component to it. So established the strategic group in consulting to cover all that. So we have a core team who deliver the processes, people, and organization, and we leverage our technology core solutions if it is related to networking or security or that stuff. So that's the role we had. At the same time, when we went to the market, we went with 3 key services in consulting, and that's where we're focusing on. The first one is what we call process optimization. It's all about re-engineering the IT processes, be it ITIL or so on. The second one is all about the enterprise architecture, and we deliver there 2 types of services. The first of service is strategic. We provide information architecture type services, and we call it the Delta approach. In a way, it's an accelerated approach to do a business architecture and information architecture within 8 weeks instead of a month. And at the same time, given our, if you like, technology roots, within the technical architecture, we created a new service called single point of failure analysis, which we take any mission critical system, be it ERP type or any others, and we find out where are the single point of failures, and we mitigate them in terms, so we give the client sort of cost versus risk scenario. And the third area, we are in the sourcing space. So we provide sourcing strategy advice, go-to-market strategy, negotiation services, and all that. Another, what makes us difference in consulting is that we created our own research program within the consulting group. The idea behind it is that we wanted to keep our consultants up to date in the latest trends in service models and in technology. And the first thing we issued is a publication was about cloud computing to skill our if you like, consultants, and at the same time to start providing consulting services and advice to our clients. And since then, we were growing, and currently we are hiring even.